Day 51 as we do continue with this elder race strategy. Not much action at all today. Fairly boring Monday. Swiss franc Japanese yen did push a little bit more, guaranteed $1,587 now. Other than that though, not a lot happening. Pretty much every trade back where it started, and we do have one signal. Don't think we're going to take it though. It's the Euro Swiss franc sell signal here as we just see the moving average going down ever so slightly, but it's such a strong push down to get into the trade because it's pulled back right to the entry price. And even if it did get in, very wide stop loss, so very wide to the take profit, it'd be way down here. So don't really fancy that one. Maybe we'll still have the signal tomorrow. There's only one way to find out. Day 50 and 2. Not so much happening for us today. Open trades still looking nice, just over $3,000 up. Pound US dollar, a little bit of a resurgence here. Maybe it might get some more out of it after all. Certainly seeing that with the Swiss franc Japanese yen. Almost $2,000 now guaranteed, really strong. $2,800 up as it is currently open. Nothing on the Aussie Swissy. Not good moves on the pound CAD for us. Back to our entry price now. US dollar Swiss franc, nothing much there. So let's just keep it all focused on the Swiss franc Japanese yen. Channel that positive energy. See if we can get some more trading stop losses just like this. Sooner or later, we do eventually see them. Day number 53 and a trade has fallen. Pretty mixed, but not great. Pound US dollar subtrade B has gone. Only made $177.50 from this. And after you take off the swap, that's down to 144.81. So not a very good representative of what the trading stop loss can do. But maybe that Swiss franc Japanese yen will push even higher. Australian dollar Swiss franc, that's been on a real bad run last couple of weeks. Took a steep drop today and we are nearing in on the stop loss there. Obviously, we want to see a win. We don't want to crystallize the loss, but it has been going some time. Did come incredibly close a couple of times before, so it might be time now to put it out of its misery. We will see. Pound CAD, bit to our favor. US dollar Swiss franc, bit against. And we've got a couple more signals, but they are both on the Swiss franc. And as we know, we've already got the Japanese yen, Australian dollar, and US dollar already going against the franc. So I don't want to take both of them. I think we'll pass on the CAD Swiss franc. Maybe we'll go down on the pound one though. Pound Swiss franc, have a pop at it. Might as well. See how reliable these signals want to get. Let's go for it. It's going to be 2 self-stop orders. 1% each on the risk, of course. 0.64 volume. Here we go, subtrade A. Would have a long way to go to that take profit. See if we get into it first. Subtrade B, might as well. Okay, there's the trades. So let's wait and see. Not the best day today, but we have had plenty of good ones. So just a few more to get us over the line would be very welcome. Not too much going on with our trades. No stop loss or take profits here. Open trades still just over $2,000 up. That's pretty nice. Pound Swiss franc hasn't got quite that close to the sell stop order. We'll give it another day, see how it turns out. Still trending downwards on the moving average and the bull's power, at least at the moment. And we'll take another signal here. Euro US dollar, sell stop order, selling off the euro in favor of the dollar. Still got the bull's power above zero, and we got both of them falling. Moving average, first day in a while it's been tilting down, so here we go. It is closing close to the low of the candle, so we're going to try and give it a bit of distance. 140 pips should do it. A trade it is. There we are, subtrade B down now as well. And are we confident for this trade? If we do get into it, I think a lot of it will depend on how much the markets believe Jerome Powell and the interest rate increases that are still being threatened at the moment. A couple more of those to come, according to him. That's what we're seeing to start to get priced in. Whether it continues or not, let's find out tomorrow. Day 55, we are of course closing off the week. Not a lot of action today, still no take profits or stop losses. It is taking a bit of time for some of these trades, particularly Australian dollar, Swiss franc, Great British Pound, Canadian dollar. That's been there a while, hanging on. The bad news was actually on the Euro US dollar. We did get into this trade at about 11:30 this morning, but if we look on the 30-minute chart, oh boy, in fact, let's narrow that down further. Let's have a look on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, right at the low there. And as soon as we got into the trade, it basically started push, and you see all those green candles there. So currently about halfway towards the stop loss there. Those are the trades we fear, the ones where we just get tapped in there and suddenly back the other way it goes. Nobody wants to see those. But we'll see it out, and we've got no other signals tonight. Still 5 open trades, 9 sub trades. Pound and Swiss franc waiting in the wings. Did push up and then came back down. We still got the moving average going south. Yeah, one more day. We'll leave it over the weekend to see what happens. But we were betting on this one much earlier in the strategy. That's it for the trading week. Let's just take a look at the trading journal, see how things are going over there. Again, not adding much this week. Week to week, we're not seeing a great amount of changes, but things are happening. Pound US dollar trading stop loss on subtrade B closing off, of course. And we did manage to get into the Euro US dollar, although I've got a feeling this one is going to be looking red by the end of next week. That's 13 trades in 55 days now, 11 weeks through. Still just over 7.5% up on the account. Still hoping for more gains.